Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is October 28th, 2025, and we're diving into Sherwin-Williams' third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Sherwin-Williams, a leader in the paint and coatings industry, has just released its Q3 2025 financial results. Let's explore how the company performed this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Sherwin-Williams reported a net revenue of $6.36 billion for Q3 2025, marking a 3.2% increase from last year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by higher sales in the paint stores and performance coatings groups. Despite a challenging market, Sherwin-Williams managed to increase its net income by 3.3% to $833.1 million, with a gross margin expansion to 49.2%.
That's impressive. How did they manage to achieve this?
They focused on operational efficiencies and cost control, which helped them expand their margins. Additionally, strategic investments in growth opportunities and a favorable sales mix contributed to their profitability.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Sherwin-Williams reported an adjusted EPS of $3.59, beating the analyst forecast of $3.46. John, what does this tell us?
This indicates that Sherwin-Williams exceeded market expectations with a 6.5% growth in adjusted EPS compared to last year. The company's ability to outperform the forecasted EPS by 13 cents is a testament to their effective cost management and strategic execution.
How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
There were 7 analysts involved in the forecast, which adds credibility to the consensus estimate that Sherwin-Williams managed to surpass.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss the operational efficiencies and future outlook. Sherwin-Williams reported an adjusted EBITDA of $1.36 billion, a 6% increase. What are the key factors here?
The increase in adjusted EBITDA reflects the company's focus on cost control and strategic investments. They returned $864 million to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends, demonstrating strong cash flow management. However, they acknowledge a softer market environment, which they expect to persist.
What about their guidance for the full year?
They've narrowed their full-year adjusted EPS guidance to a range of $11.25 to $11.45, indicating confidence in their strategic direction despite the challenging market conditions.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's break down the segment performance. How did each segment fare this quarter?
The Paint Stores Group led the way with a 5.1% increase in sales, driven by price increases and volume growth. The Consumer Brands Group faced challenges with a 2.6% decline, mainly due to soft DIY demand. Meanwhile, the Performance Coatings Group saw a modest 1.7% increase, supported by acquisitions and favorable currency impacts.
What strategic initiatives are they focusing on?
Sherwin-Williams is emphasizing differentiated solutions for professional contractors and manufacturers, aiming to provide predictability and reliability. This strategic focus is crucial in maintaining their competitive edge in a volatile market.
Key takeaways. In summary, Sherwin-Williams delivered a solid performance in Q3 2025, with revenue and earnings growth despite a challenging market. Their strategic focus on operational efficiencies and differentiated solutions is paying off. John, any final thoughts?
Sherwin-Williams is well-positioned for future growth, with strong financials and a clear strategic direction. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to navigate the softer market environment and capitalize on growth opportunities.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sherwin-Williams' performance in the comments below. Until next time.